We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam on your Brother MFC L-3750CDW printer, and I'm also going to show you how to avoid jams in the future. So follow these steps and we can clear your jams. Alright guys, so the first step is to look in your output tray. That's going to be right here where the paper comes out of the printer. And so if you see any paper here, go ahead and just gently pull it out and discard it. If the output tray is clear, then let's go ahead and move on to the next step. Alright guys, so the next step, you want to check the back. So what you'll want to do is open your back cover. And you want to make sure to be very careful because this is pretty hot. So you'll open the rear cover, and then on this specific printer, you do have these green tabs that you have to press here. That will open this up to allow you to get the paper out, unclear your jam, and dispose of the piece of paper. So you'll shut those, make sure it's clicked back in, shut your hatch. Alright guys, so the next step is going to be your paper tray. So what you want to do is open it, and then you'll want to look for any jammed paper that you see like right here that'd be easy to grab. If you see any, go ahead and pull it out, gently remove it, and discard of the piece of paper. Alright guys, that's it. You have successfully cleared your paper jam on your Brother printer. But how can you prevent paper jams? So I'm going to go through the steps with you, that way we can prevent jams on your machine as well. Alright guys, so first what we need to do is we need to make sure that your settings in the tray are correct for the type of paper or media that you're using. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your paper tray. So as you can see, we have these little green tabs here. You will adjust these for the type of paper that you are using. The same goes on this side as well. It'll just adjust if you're using envelopes, specific sizes of paper. So another thing is going to be the paper alignment. So instead of just taking new paper and refilling my tray and just sticking it in there, a lot of times if you do, you'll see that that is pretty not even, unaligned. So go ahead and take out your old paper, mix it with your new paper, and then you'll want to align it on each side. And then go ahead and fan through it, kind of get some condensation out if there's any that's making the pages stick together. Then realign all the sides and stick it in the tray all at the same time. If you follow these tips, you can definitely eliminate some paper jams, but not all. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you for watching our video today, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.